Hey guys, it is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with the top 5 frequently asked questions on my channel. Yes, I get asked questions. Woe is me. But I'm also here with a very sarcastic and I am a very practical but logical person. So if you hear a bit of sarcasm in my answer, it's because I feel that some of these questions are this thing, in life called common sense. Also, I am not a normal channel. I'm human. I'm not gonna act like I have this superpower. I am not famous. I'm just a regular person who enjoys making videos and telling you guys about stuff that I learned. So yeah, I don't have any super insider detail about certain things. I'm not going to act like I have the secret sauce. I just like making videos and I enjoy telling you guys about things that I learned. So let's get into it. The top 5 frequently asked questions that I get asked on my channel. So number 1, how long does shipping take? How long did it take to get here? How long was shipping on a product that I did a video on 2 years ago? I don't know. The truth is, I don't know. If I did talk about the shipping in an actual video, then at that time, that was how long the shipping took. If I did not, it's probably because I've had the product for so long or I used the website so long ago that I don't know how long this shipping is. But my advice to you is to always visit the website you are inquiring about to see if they have a up-to-date shipping time frame, because there's no way I'm going to go to every website that you guys ask how long did it take to ship and come back and tell you that's work that you could be doing as you type that question on the channel, okay? Just a little tip from me to you. So this is the second most frequently asked question that I not only get on my Instagram, in my inboxes, in my email, over on Facebook, and then sometimes here on YouTube. Can you help me set up my shop, integrate my shop, set up my store? Also, sometimes followed by your phone number and then an email to respond to. Guys, don't give me your phone number. Don't give anybody your phone number on the internet. Why? There's a lot of crazy people out there. I'm never going to use your phone number. I'm never going to call you, and I'm not going to do any video chatting with you when you add me as a friend on one of these social media websites. The answer to that question is no. I cannot help you set up or integrate your shop because I am not a service-based business. I only provide digital products, video products, and of course, these videos here on YouTube. My ultimate goal is to help you start. I do not want to go through the process and handhold with you. I've done that. I don't enjoy it. So maybe there's someone out here who will specialize in holding your hand, one-on-one coaching on setting your print-on-demand site up, but I only enjoy giving you the idea of starting and learning from my experience. I don't enjoy that other stuff. No more. So the third question is, what site do you recommend for journals? So I am always going to say KDP. That is always my first choice, right? I'm never going to say anything else because it's just that simple. It is one of the websites where you can include a custom interior all the way around. Amazon is $1 trillion business. It's easy to be found on Amazon with the right amount of research. And if you use my Easy Money Starter Pack course, bit.ly/Easy Money Starter Pack 1. Let me take a sip. You can easily start on KDP today and start making money. So I'm always going to say KDP. If you ask me what's the best site for journals, yes, I've used so many of them, but time and time again, KDP, hands down, #1 in my opinion. So the second one is, what site do you recommend to sell shirts on? I'm probably going to always stick and say Printful. Yes, Printful is not a site. It is a POD drop shipping business that you have to connect to a different store. But time and time again, even if I would have to go in and put in orders manually, I'm going to choose Printful. Why? Because they print on sleeves, they print on the back, they print on the inside, they print on the collar. They print everywhere. And their quality is really good. Even though it's gotten a little sloppy, I still will say Printful. And then if it's a website that does not need integration and it's just a platform, I'm going to say Spreadshirt. So between Spreadshirt and Printful, those are my top 2 sites that I recommend you sell on, okay? So the next question is one that I actually love because it actually helps me in my channel. When you guys say, can you do a video on XYZ? Well, yes, I can. The more you recommend me do a video on certain channels, it helps me to have more ideas and more videos that I can bring to you guys. I do have a list of videos that I am getting through, but when I see certain questions about certain platforms or certain things, it helps me to understand what you guys need more of, and then I can come and bring that type of content to my channel to help out you, because if one person asks that question, there's probably 1,000 more that has that same question or who are looking for that same type of content or video. So I appreciate you when you ask and recommend me do a review on certain websites or show you how to set up that certain website. That definitely helps me to, you know, just bring you more of what you want to watch. So I truly appreciate you guys for recommending stuff. And then I do appreciate you guys for asking questions. But yeah, let me go now. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.